Hello? Hello?
No.
Hello, Evan. Welcome to Listen and Speak. This is Teacher Anna. How are you? Are you doing good now? Oh, you still don't feel well? Okay, so we'll make our class very easy for tonight, okay? Did you go to the doctor? Oh, okay, so you need to rest very much, okay? So, are you feeling better now compared yesterday? Okay, okay. So I know you're not feeling fine. So I just want you to look here. We'll have a very quick review about our previous lesson, okay? Okay, so here we have some pictures and you need to name these pictures, okay? Okay, so number one is,
Or
no, it's not or. Let's answer the easiest one first so we can cancel out words. What's this?
that is cool.
Oh, very good. So this one is coal. Oh, sorry. Why is it in all big letters? Coal. Okay. Coal. How about this one? Number three.
Number three.
Number
Use
three.
up
Use of.
and replace.
Okay. I think number three is should be replace or use up. This number one. Oh, I think number five is supply. What do you think?
Number six is use up.
I think it's reduce.
I
Use up is number. Oh, we should answer this one. This is or. Number four is or. One of our next
one is
choices.
use up.
Number three is use up. Are you
I
sure? I think the number one is use up. Use up. And number three is. What do you think is number three? Number three is replace. Okay. So there you go. So these are the words that we learned last time, and I hope you still remember some of it.
I said that is replace.
Yes, I know. Very sorry. That's why I put it there because your answer is correct.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm. So let's have this one. So for this part, you have some sentences to complete, okay? Okay, let's start with number one.
If you have a drunk all the orange juice, please. Um, reduce it. It is
Mm-hmm.
another.
It should be replaced. For example, you already drunk the orange juice, a bottle of orange juice. So it's empty. You need to replace it with a new one. Okay? Okay, so the answer here is this one. Replace. Okay, let's have number two.
We need the top 10
Mm-hmm. We need the
supply.
supply. Very good. You need to read the
What's
sentence.
this?
Which one? This one?
Wait, no, wait, teacher. I will send you a message.
Okay, okay. I will look at it.
What's this? The top of one.
Oh, which one?
I just click keyboard like this and this come out.
Oh, the purple one. Yeah, I can see it. Let me. Ooh, what's this?
Is this a camera?
Oh, I don't know what is that.
Then
I think.
I will stop this.
Okay, okay. I think you're recording something. That's why it popped up. Okay, so let's go back to our book, okay? Okay. Oh no, where is it? Okay, can you see our book?
Yeah.
Okay, so you need to read this sentence again using our correct answer, okay? Number two, we need
We need a supply of air
what?
and the water every day to life.
To live. Yes, so you need air and water to live. What else do you need to live aside from air and water?
Mm,
Only air and water? What else do we need?
mm, food.
We also need food. We also need clothes. What else? We need a home. We need to space where we can sleep. We need what else? We need sunlight. So those are the most important things for us to live. How about number three?
From this, mm, ore,
Very good. From this
we
ore, that's three.
can get iron and nickel.
Okay. And number four. How about here?
You should
You should.
reduce what you eat,
Very good. Or
or you will get very big.
yes. How about tour? How about you, Evan? How much do you eat every day? Like, do you eat a lot of rice every day,
Rice
or a lot of noodles? What do you eat?
or rice?
Oh, do you think you're eating just enough, or you're eating too much? What do you think?
I am eating very small.
Okay, especially when you don't feel well, right? You can't eat that much, but you need to eat because it gives you energy. And I think, do you have some medicines that you need to drink? Evan, do you have some medicines that the doctor gave you?
Why?
Oh, so because if you have some medicines, you need to eat, okay? So if you will drink a medicine, you should eat something because it's not good if you will drink a medicine if you're hungry or like that. So let's have this one. Number five, please.
Okay, I have used up all my money, so I will stay at home during the weekend.
Yes. Oh no. Use up means it's all gone. How about you, Tori? Or sorry, how about you, Evan? Do you still have your money or
Yeah,
did you use it up?
I have it.
You have it. Oh, you're saving it for something?
No, what? I have it.
Oh, but you don't know what to buy. Oh, yes, I can see. Like the same thing you show me last time. Ooh, wow. That's so nice. Maybe you can put it in the bank. You don't like it? Why not put it in the bank? Evan, I'm asking a question.
Yeah.
Why not put it in the bank?
Oh, I don't know. There is no time.
Okay, okay. But it's better if you put your money in the bank, or if you want to keep it, be responsible and keep it in a very safe place. How about number six?
We sometimes burn coal at home to keep us warm.
How about there in Korea? Do you use coal?
Oh, yes.
Oh, how do you use coal?
We use coal.
How?
How?
Yes, how do you use coal?
Mm,
Like to cook food or to make a place warm?
we use coal when like eat food.
Oh, you use coal when you eat food. Okay. So what food do you usually cook in coal?
I don't cook.
Oh, for example, your mom or your some adults cook.
My
Yes, or
dad,
your dad. What?
my mom don't cook.
Oh, okay. So how about what do you usually cook in coal?
Hmm?
What do you usually see? What food can you cook in coal in Korea? Like pork, soup?
Mm, wait.
Okay.
With the cool?
Mm-hmm. Here in our country, we make soup, but when we use coal, we cook soup because uh,
Oh,
coal is better for cooking soup. Yes.
we used to cook
Yes, you use it also to cook
some
somewhat vegetables.
meat.
Some meat. Okay, okay, that's nice. So thank you for sharing, Evan. Now we still have this. I know this will be very hard, but we have a copy of the story here, and we can look back. Okay?
Okay, let's do this.
Okay, let's do this one. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's have this one. Earth?
Earth has many natural resources. We use them in many ways. A tree is a natural resource. We use the wood to make wood, like furniture. A tree can be replaced.
Very good. Can the tree can be
If we
planted?
cut down the tree, another one can grow, but it takes many years. Um,
Do you know the answer here?
coal,
Coal. Very good. Coal is
coal
a
is a natural resource. We use coal to make electricity, and ore is another natural resource. Ores contain metal. We can
mm-hmm.
we use metal for making many goods. Some natural ores contain metal.
Oh, no, some
Yeah, some
natural
natural
resources
resources like coal
and
and
ore
ore
take millions. Take millions of what? Take
take
millions.
millions of years to be made. They are supply
Supply. Very good.
is immediate.
Once
Once
used,
used, they cannot be replaced quickly. We are using these resources very quickly these days. We need to um, reduce the amount of natural resources we use. They need to be conserved. If all the coal and ore are used up, electricity and goods will have to be made in other ways.
Okay, that is correct. Oh, we need to add the letter here. So your answers are all correct. So what did you learn from the story? So we now know that the supplies are going down for some of our natural resources. So what do you think should we do? We need to What can we do to
We need
conserve
to
our
reduce
resources? Yes, we need to reduce the
the
amount
amount of
of
natural resources we
reuse.
use.
Very good. So, for example, the use of water, the use of wood, and other natural resources because we cannot replace them very quickly. Okay? So, let's have this one. We will have a new story here, and it's all about parts of weather. Can you help me with this?
Hail.
Okay, hail. So, do you know what is
Small
hail?
hard balls of ice set fall as rain.
Ooh, this is very scary. Imagine you're outside and there is hail. That can hurt you because even they are very small, they are
Ah,
very
that I
hard
know
like ice.
hail.
Do you experience hail in Korea?
I, huh?
Do you experience hail in Korea?
No.
No, you're very lucky because in other countries they are like the major events of hail that cause damages to people and animals.
I saw something in book. The most heaviest and big hail. It was
How big was it?
1 kilogram.
Oh, wow. That's very big. A big chunk of ice.
Yeah.
That's scary. What will you do if there's a hail? How can
Imagine
you make yourself safe?
it. When I have a bag,
Oh, okay. You
and
will.
when I don't have bag,
Yes, you can use your. Oh, be careful. Oh, what's that? It looks so weird though. Okay, so you can use your bag to cover your head. It's very important to protect your head all of the time during
ah,
hail.
like
Okay.
this, we can use not the
Oh,
like this.
oh yeah. You're so creative. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
But I think I would prefer the bag because it's harder and
Ah,
useless
no,
to
like
protect.
this.
But
When
you're
it is like this.
but yeah, because if you do that, like you will just cover your head, it will still hurt your head. So you need to like make it like a tent. Okay. So let's have this one.
Or we just all over like this and make
Yes,
it.
I agree.
Rain go principle.
Oh, this is
Precipitation.
precipitation. Okay, so precipitation is what we call rain. It's just the scientific term for rain. It's precipitation. When water,
Water that falls from the clouds to the ground.
okay, what precipitation is what we call terrain. It's the water that falls from the clouds to the ground. So nowadays in our country, it's starting to be rainy. Okay, we are entering our rainy season. How about in Korea? Do you experience rain too?
Hmm?
Is it how was the weather in the last few days? Is it rainy? Is it rainy, sunny?
I think it was sunny.
Oh, okay, because here in the Philippines it's starting to be rainy. So precipitation is a very important process, okay? It's a very important water because this is where we get our supply, okay? This is
Okay.
where we get the supply of our water. If it's not raining, it is harder for us to get supply of water. Okay, that's why we need rain. So let's have the next one.
Rain God.
Yes, rain gas. So here, it's an instrument for what?
We're measuring
Measuring what?
how much rain falls.
Ooh, that is so cool. So you can use this to measure how much rain falls. Oh, that is so nice. So you have numbers here, I think, to read how much the rain how much rain was stored here after the rain. And lastly, we have another tool. What's this?
Thermometer
A thermometer. So we use this to what? To measure what?
to measure temperature.
Yes, actually we have this. Do you have it at home? Do you have a thermometer at home?
I think
Like
no.
that's what you use to check your temperature when you're sick.
But I have it.
Yes, we call that a thermometer. We have it in sticks. We have it in a circular thing. We use circular things like this in a big room. Okay, but if we are gonna check our own temperature, we use like the thin one, like a stick, and it has like a screen where it shows numbers, which is the temperature of your body. Okay, so the last time you check your temperature, what's your temperature, Evan?
Last
Yeah, the last time you check it. Do you still remember?
36.3.
Oh, that's a little, that's normal when it ranges 36.5 into 38 to 39. It means you have a
The
fever.
most highest it was 38.67.
Oh, it means you're really sick. Oh no. So let's have this one.
When there I had a headache and the hurt of my neck and
Yes.
there was some
Oh, you have a cold.
yeah, and
Okay. But I hope you will feel better now. So
and
let's have this.
I couldn't walk.
Really? You're just in your bed?
Really headache.
Oh
I am really
no.
strong.
Your head is really heavy. So you didn't go to school too?
So yeah, and
Okay.
so I I can walk very well. Like
Okay.
like when
You need to
so
take care of yourself. Okay? You need to like
you
eat fruits and
like the
vegetables. Drink milk. Okay? So let's have this one. We have the next word. What is this?
weather
Weather
vane.
vane. So weather vane is what? Can you read?
A metal object that glows around to show which way the wind is coming from.
Yes, so most of the farms back then they have a weather vane because the wind sometimes tell us if there's a storm. Okay, so it's very important if that we know where's the wind coming from. So let's have this one. What is this?
Ah, that is meteorologist.
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 So a meteorologist is someone who, oh, don't eat
Ah,
your candy.
a scientist who studies weather conditions.
Yeah, so they tell us if there's a storm coming. They tell us if the temperature is going high or low, the weather is going hot or cold. Do you want to be a meteorologist?
What's meteorologist?
Oh, someone who studies weathers. Like if there's a storm.
I
Do you like it?
no,
Oh, why? I think it's cool.
but I think to me it is not very good.
Oh, it's like a boring job?
Mm,
Okay, so what job is not boring for you?
I don't know.
Oh, you still don't know. Okay, okay. So let's have this one. So we have some important parts of weather, okay? So what is the first
Okay.
important part of a weather?
Precipitation.
So we have three forms of precipitation. We have rain.
Rain, hail, or snow.
Yes, that's the three kinds of precipitation. Remember that. So what's the other one we have? What is this?
Temperature.
Temperature. Temperature can be warm.
Hot,
Hot, cool,
cool, or
or
cold?
cold. So what is your favorite temperature?
I think just cool.
Okay, just cool. Not too hot and not too cold. Okay, how about here? Another part of weather is
Wind.
wind. So wind is something that that's in the air, okay? So it moves from warm areas to cool areas. So what does it carry? What does a wind carry?
The wind
Evan. Yeah.
carry.
Yeah, what does the wind carry?
Um, it carries moisture into or way away from an area.
Yeah. So sometimes you can feel that the wind is cold because it's from a cold place. Okay? It took moisture from the cold place so that you feel it's cool. And when the wind is warm, the wind is from a warm place too. Okay? So let's have this one. Again, I'll ask you, Evan, what are the three parts of weather?
Precipitation, temperature, wind.
Wind, very good. What is the three types of precipitation?
What? Ah,
What are the three
rain,
types?
hail, and snow.
Yes, remember that. So here, we also have this weather instruments. We talked about this a while ago. So what do we use to measure the depth of precipitation? What do we use to measure the depth of
Uh,
precipitation?
it is rain gauge.
And how about what do we use to measure the wind's speed?
Wind speed. Wind gauge.
Okay, so what is the use of the thermometer?
Uh, it is used to measure the temperature of the air.
What is the use of a weather vane?
It is used to measure which way the wind is blowing.
Very nice. So here we have some words and I need your help. It's just a very quick review about the words. Can you help me?
Okay. Uh,
Number one,
number one, it
it is
is
what? It is
red
rain.
rain gauge.
How about number two?
Tem, tem, tem,
Thermometer.
no,
How about number three?
hail.
Hail. Oh, we have an extra R for number one. Sorry, I'll delete that later. Hail.
Oh, there is a rain gauge.
Yeah.
Rain
Raw,
gauge.
raw. So remember that.
Rain
Okay,
gauge.
how about the next one? For number
And
four,
wind gauge.
oh, it's a weather vane.
Ah, okay.
Okay, I think it's a weather vane. Yes, it is a weather vane. How about the next one? Number five?
And number
What do
five
you call?
is mom.
No, it's a
Mom.
meteorologist. Meteorologist. Can you say that? And
Meteorologist.
number six is
Pole.
it's in the
Pole.
we have different types of this one. We have hail, rain, and snow.
Okay. Precipitation.
Okay, good job. So you got it all correct. Now let's have this one. So, which one is the instrument that measures the wind's speed? A, B, or C?
Hmm? A, B, or C? It
Wind
is
speed.
A.
Very good. And we call that wind.
God.
Very good. Now let's have this one. So we still have this one, and I need your help. Can you help
Okay.
me? It's a 126. Okay, so let's start with number one. Can you help me with number
That
one?
is rain god.
No, number one is the water that falls from the clouds to the
Water
ground.
vein. I weather
Ah,
vein.
it's the rain. It's the water that falls from the clouds.
Yeah.
It's the precipitation.
Okay.
Okay, how about number two?
Hail.
Hey, oh, you didn't read it. You need to read it first. No,
Why?
because I want you to read it first.
More
You need to read it.
ice, matte, fall, and rain.
Okay, you need to read it because that's how the direction
A
actually
device
happens.
used to measure temperature thermometer.
A device used to measure temperature, that's a thermometer. Very good. How about number four?
Okay. A
Okay.
scientist who studies weather conditions.
It's
Meteorologist.
meteor. Meteoro. Can you say it?
Meteorologist.
Meteorologist. Okay. How about number five?
Okay, number five. It is mm, an instrument of measure. I can see it. How much rain or falls. Oh, rain god.
Very good.
It
And
is.
number six, a metal,
Huh?
a metal
A
object.
metal object that flows around to show which weight the wind is coming from.
What's that? Oh,
Weather vane.
it's a weather vane. See,
I
I
thought you was talking Korean.
me?
There is a not world, word of Amado in Korean,
Okay, what's
and
amado?
you said Amado,
Oh, I think a
a
metal.
metal, Amado,
What's that word mean in Korea?
maybe
Oh, really? Like how do you say it? Amado? Like that?
Amado. Yes.
Amado. Oh, okay, okay. Thank you. Now I know one word from Korea. Now let's have this one. Let me check your answers. One, two, three, four, five, and six. That's a nice work. Now let's go down here. I need your help. We have a
Mhm.
true or false part here, and you will help me with this one, okay? Evan, it's now your turn to answer
A
this.
rain gauge and measure all kind of precipitation. False.
Yes, false, because it only measure rain, not all kinds. It cannot measure hail or it cannot measure snow. Just rain. Very good. How about number two?
Here is water that falls from the clouds. A direction of
Oh, what's your
of
answer for number two?
true.
Hail?
I said it's false.
It is false. Hail is an ice, bits of ice that falls from the clouds. How about number three?
The direction of the wind can be measured by a water vane. True.
True. Very good. See? You did it. Thank you very much. Now let's go here, okay? You got it all correct there. So we have this one. We still have time left. So maybe we can read it. Let's just read it, okay? You can do it. We will just read. We will not
A
actually.
meteorologist is a scientist who studies the weather. Meteorologists uh, get information about the weather. They can predict what the weather will be like later on. Precipitation is part of the weather. It can be fall.
It can fall.
It can fall as rain, hail, or snow. Wait, I can see it. Rain gauges used to measure the amount of rain that falls on one spot. The temperature is an important part of the weather. A thermometer measures temperature. When it is warm, precipitation will fall as rain. When it is cold, precipitation might fall as hail or snow. Wind is another important part of the weather. Air moves from warm areas to cool areas. Wind is moving air. Wind can carry moisture into or away from an area. Wind can also change the temperature of the air in an area. A water vane shows which direction the wind is blowing.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, very good.
Okay, so you did a good job.
Okay. Ooh,
What are you saying? Okay, so I have some questions for you about what you read a while ago. So, what do you call a scientist that studies the weather?
Meteorologist.
Okay, so when it's cold, the precipitation might fall as what?
Huh?
When it's cold,
Yeah.
precipitation might fall as what?
When fall as hail or snow.
Yes, because it's cold. But what if it's warm?
If it's warm, wait. What is warm? Ah, okay, wait. When it is warm. Well, it is in the top. Wait.
It's here.
Ow. Ah,
When it's
precipitation
warm,
will fall as rain.
yeah. So when it's cold, it'll be a hail or snow. But when it's warm, it will fall as rain. Okay. So what do we use to measure temperature? What do we use to measure temperature?
We use to measure temperature.
Yeah,
Thermometer.
thermometer. Okay. So we have what is the job of a meteorologist? What is the job of a meteorologist? They get information about,
Ah, weather.
they get information about the weather. So it's almost time. Okay, so we will see each other again next week. Evan, thank you very much and be fine, okay? Rest well and you'll feel better soon. Goodbye.